suspension system. This is the 3-point symmetrical 3-point suspension system and a symmetrical 3-point suspension system. So symmetrical means here you can see the number of equal axes will come here, as symmetrical means this group it will have a different number of axes system. Mechanical point of view, we know that a 3-point suspension system is statically defined, but while 4-point suspension system is not statically defined, this we can compare with like a table with the three legs. That's always it is getting supported, and even on uneven ground surface. When we talk about the four-legged table on uneven ground, it will always wobble between various legs. That means like it can, the load distribution can vary. If it is a four-legged, three-legged means it's a stable, and four-legged means it's not that much stable. I mean, statically determined, it's not statically determined. Three-legged is a stability point of view. If you see it, three legs would be somewhat less stable, and 4-point suspension would be stable. Only when we need to roll over uneven ground surface, we do prefer 3-point suspension system, as it is equalizes the load between axles automatically. That means if the road is uneven, 3-point suspension system we prefer it because it will be distributing the load automatically equally. But despite the fact that it's a less stable, that means like it's a less stable compared to four-legged, because four-legged means the stability point of view it will have more tipping angle, but three-legged will be less stable, but it will be automatically distribute the load on the suspension system, and it's statically determined, statically well defined 3-point suspension system. 4-point suspension system is not. Most of our tables are equipped with four legs because it offers the best stability. They stand on even ground. Okay. But we have to watch stability when we are using 3-point system a lot, because it is a lot less than the 4-point suspension system. So when we go for 3-point suspension system, we need to watch stability, as it is a lot less stable than 4-point suspension system. From here it is right obvious that asymmetrical suspension system offers better stability than symmetrical. Here you can see this is the 3-point symmetrical suspension system. That means here we have 10 axles, and here also five axles, here 5 axles, here 5 axles, here also 5 axles. This is a group A. It's like always the front moving row will be group 1, this will be the group 2 and group 3, and moving direction will be like this. So this is 10 axes, 10 axle points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like 10. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 axles are there. Two rows. Okay, so here 5, here 5, and 2 points of each 5 axles. Here 10 axles of 1 point. Okay, here 1 point, here 1 point. That's what they mean. Next one you can see about the angle. Here load on front end axis will be 3895 into 10.5. This is the 10.5 between the first point to second point. This is the support point to support point. So load is here we have seen the load, right? 3850. So here anyway it is not mentioned, but here you can see it's the 3895 and 3895 is the distance, and 1005 is this distance. Load is 203 tons, I think. So here we can see load on the front end axis will be 75.3 tons. So per axle it will become 10 axles, right? So 75.3 will be 10 is 7.553 tons. Loaded 10 rear axles. If you see the rear axles, the 6605, it's more this much, right? 6605 out of 10.5, right? So 6605 divided by 10.5, that means huge load will come here. That's 127, almost like more load will be in the behind, because it was here towards this. So these two have to take more load, and 127 is coming. So load per rear axle will be 127 by 10 is 12.77 tons. Higher risk for tipping over. Theoretical tipping angle of COG center. If we see here, this 403. This is the height from the ground where the COG is there from the ground, and the distance is here. You can see 550. All right, so 550 tan theta of 5. Here I can see actually what happens. This is the angle, this angle, right? So in the plan, if I see it, it will be looking like this. So this is the COG from the ground. It is how much? 3403. 3403, and this angle, this distance is the right. This distance 550. So the angle is 90 if we take 550 by 3403, it's 9.1 degree it comes, and the theoretical tipping angle for center, it's 437. 437 is from here to here, this distance from the center to this triangle, tipping angle, tipping line. Therefore, 35 divided by 3 is 1.3. Theoretical tipping angle due to off-center COG. Theoretical tipping angle if COG was in the center of trailer. Okay, COG if it's in center of trailer or off left. Okay. And here the same thing, if you see it, it's 9.3 becomes 11.8, 9.1 because 9 point because it's 7.15. 7.15 will be the more distance it will come when the distance is increasing. Here you see 7.15. This distance is increasing because we made unsymmetrical. Unsymmetrical means front it will be 8, back it will be 8, 8. So here 4 and here 8. 4 and this is 8. Out of 12, it's a 1/3, it's a 2/3, right? 2 by 3 into 12. It will become 8 axles, and 1 by 3 by 12, it becomes 4 axles. That's the front group. 4, 4, 8. 4 axle means per row I'm filling, so 2 rows, so 8 axles. And here also 8, 8, 16 axles. That's what here is there. So it's just 1/3, 2/3, like that it's coming instead of 1 by 1 by 2. Here 1 by 1 by 2 means like out of 12 front, that middle 2, 4 axles are disconnected. That's why here backside of 5 and front side 5 and backside 5, like that equally it was distributed. But here if we take it 8 and like 4 and 8, we can see the COG is very close to this bottom side support points. The support points 9 meters, so out of that 1650, it's very close, like 1650 into 9000 into 203. How much load it comes to here means 37, and back it will come 7350 out of 9. So 73509 into 203, 165 it comes. So 10 per axle will come here. It's a 4.5 ton per axle. Here 10 per axle. Higher risk for bending of a trailer. Here risk is bending of trailer. Here risk is tipping over. Bending of trailer means because more load is coming, right? And the theoretical tipping angle of COG was in center of trailer. If COG is at center of trailer, that's a 583, right? 583 by 34039.7 degree. This becomes what this off center angle due to off center of COG. That's 715. This, this, this. 715, 340, 11.8. So 11.8 is bigger.